Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Make sure your video and subtitle file, for example, SRT, are accessible. Open VLC now, either use Media Open File or drag the video into the player. Once the video is loaded, go to Subtitle in the top menu and choose Add Subtitle File to attach the SRT. This links timing and text. It prevents sync errors. Make sure file names don't contain unusual characters, and that the subtitle encoding matches the language so accents display correctly. Once the subtitle file is loaded, check how it lines up with speech. If timing is off, open Tools Track Synchronization to change the subtitle delay. You can nudge forward or back in milliseconds. If video has multiple subtitle tracks, use Subtitle track to select the correct one. Adjust a small amount, then play a spoken line to verify. This iterative tweak, small change, test, lets you match visual text to audio because precise sync improves comprehension and viewer comfort. Finish by customizing how subtitles look. Go to Tools Preferences Subtitles/OSD to change font, size, subtitle position, and encoding for accents. If you modify an external SRT, save it and reload via Subtitle Add Subtitle File so VLC uses the updated file. If subtitles do not appear, confirm the file is UTF-8 or the correct encoding, verify the video's subtitle track isn't disabled, and try disabling hardware-accelerated decoding. These fixes resolve most invisible or garbled subtitle problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.